Hi, in this tutorial, we will be creating a project of a magic trick. A wizard girl has a wand in her hand. She will conjure her favorite animals such as owl and unicorn in the jungle one by one. You will learn how to control the appearance and disappearance of the owl and unicorn by using a function called broadcast. Let's go to the owl sprite. When the go button green flag is clicked, we want the owl and the unicorn to disappear first. So go to Events, drag when green flag is clicked, and go to Looks, scroll down, I'm gonna pick Hide here. Let's try this out. Click on green flag. The owl now is being hidden. And go to Unicorn and do the same thing. When green flag is clicked, go back to Looks, scroll down, pick the Hide. Now click on green flag again, both will be hidden. The wizard girl will conjure the owl first, so click on the wizard girl and go back to events. When green flag is clicked, I want the wizard girl to say something. Let's go to looks, drag the first block, which is say hello for 2 seconds, drag it here. Instead of say hello, I can conjure my favorite animals with my wand for 2 seconds. Let's try it out. Click on the go button. You will say I can conjure my favorite animals with my wand for 2 seconds, and I want her to say show yourself owl for 2 seconds. So let's try again. I can conjure my favorite animals with my wand. Show yourself owl. After that, we want to make the owl appear here. To make this happen, we need to broadcast a message. Broadcast is to send a message to another sprite, and the sprite, which is the owl, will receive it and do something. To broadcast a message, go to Events, and you will see Broadcast Message 1, drag it here. Change Message 1 to New Message, and we can edit the message name. We'll write Show Owl. Click on OK. So who will be receiving this message, which is the owl? So click on that owl sprite and go back to Events. Pick When I Receive Show Owl. Drag it here. So we want it to do something when it receives this message, which is to show itself. Go back to Looks and scroll down a bit, pick Show. Let's try it out. Click on green flag. I can control my favorite animals. Show yourself owl. Now the owl will appear. Great. So we want to go back to Wizard Girl. After the owl show itself, we want the owl to disappear first. Then we will conjure the unicorn. Let's go to Control and wait 1 second. We will go back to Looks and drag the say hello for 2 seconds. Wizard will say, now fly away owl for 2 seconds. After that, we want to broadcast a message to the owl to hide itself. So go to Events and broadcast a message. Instead of show owl, we're gonna create a new message, which is to hide owl. Click on OK, and owl will receive this message. Go to Events. When I receive hide owl, I will hide. Go back to Looks and scroll down, get the hide. Let's try it out. Click on green flag and show yourself. It will appear for 1 second. Now fly away. Then it will disappear. Great. Now we want to conjure the unicorn. We're going to repeat the same thing. Go to Wizard Girl. And let's wait for a few seconds. Let's wait 2 seconds. And go to Looks. Let her say something. Show yourself unicorn for 2 seconds. Then we want to broadcast a message again. Go back to Events, Broadcast. Instead of hide owl, this time we're gonna put show unicorn. Now the unicorn will be receiving this message. click on Unicorn Sprite, go to Events, choose When I Receive, Show Unicorn, go back to Looks, scroll down, get Show. Okay, let's try again. Click on green flag. Great, that's all for this project. You have learned how to broadcast a message between two sprites who will be broadcasting the message and who will receive the message to do something. I'll see you at the next tutorial.